Okay, this is just a quick video showing how easily and quickly we can pull the head apart. They're all magnetic joints, which is not uncommon with a large Delta. However, we've actually also got a magnetic connection with our power cable. So that's it. The head is now disconnected. We have one last press fitting to pull out the filament thing, and you can take off your head. This is a 1/2 of a dual head which we've set up, and we can easily add a second head or change it completely for some other material.